What's up, YouTube? This is Gene Sarkson. I'm here again back at my house. Project Skunk2 Y49 is catching a lot of momentum here. So I actually need to sort out the battery situation. 'Cause I have like the old wires, which were aftermarket, and then I have the wires that were connected to the EM1 when I got this motor out of there. And so from the yard, I was able to get this bad boy a while back. It's OEM EF, the power cable. So it's in pretty good condition. So I'm hoping it works really well. What the heck is that? Oh, my shift linkage fell. And then big shout out to Carlos Sapien. I hope you're doing well, brother. Hooked me up with this. The negative cable has the provisions for the mount, the grounding to the side of the engine bay there. So that's a good quality piece there. You see that? That's for the side, and then for the transmission bracket mount. So yeah, let's get started. See where we're at here. All right, so I'm gonna have to improvise here. I don't have my tripod, so let's just remove this bad boy here first. And Phillips right there in the fuse box. Make sure you don't lose that. And then we will just go ahead and connect our other line up here. Back in there. So hopefully we won't have to come back to this in the near future. And everything that we have will be sufficient for B series. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't. All right, so I'm going to remove this other mounting. That out of there. That goes up there. And we'll just set that aside for now. And let's up to the 12 millimeter. That guy right down there. That out of the way. Bunch of excessive wires, excess wires and stuff. Okay, and then that we need to pull that. Where's my 12 millimeter? 12 millimeter socket. Short guy. And we'll remove that nut there from the starter. Try to keep track of everything, don't lose it. Drop extra washers. So I might as well connect this bad boy here. Let's turn that around. make sure that's pretty straight there. All right, I'm gonna have to remember to tighten that up by hand. What else are we going next? Let's put the negative. One of the good things about this is that you don't have to worry about that little positioning slot there, since let's see. There we go. Just mount that up, and then we're going to connect the other piece here to the wall. Be right back. All right, so like I said, this was going to be a short video. I just had to remove the EM1 power terminal cable from one of the brackets there. You just push that tab up and it just releases. And then I still have the fuse box here. Eventually I'll sell the harness once I have my harness made. I didn't want to, I tried not to sell anything from the swap when I was selling stuff, and so yeah, I'll have a few of the swap parts for sale pretty soon. But yeah, I did end up selling the catalytic converter, which I kind of regret, but it is what it is. I'll just have to grab an aftermarket one. Actually, I'm going to leave that connected just in case. But yeah, that's my video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, hold on. That's my video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Take care of yourselves out there. Remember, self-care. Make that a priority. Excuse me. Whew. Tasted like spam. Thank you guys for watching. Take care of yourselves. Remember to subscribe to the homies Young Static, EF Buddies, John Martin Bryant, another EFM vlog, Lazy Man Garage, Garage Belt Hondas, all the other EF pages out there doing their things. I know some people have moved on to other chassis, but it is what it is. It's growth. It's all about growth and learning new things, bringing new content. So yeah, appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Keep the EFs on the road. Peace. All right, so actually this video isn't over. This is just the line here. You can see connected down there and then connected to the ground there. So I really like this line. That guy and I suppose our fingers. Had some clicking in the car. So just inspect everything, make sure we're good to go here. All right, let's try to do this real quick. I got the 3D printed, disconnect that for now. 3D printed climate control unit here. What I am wanting to do is to test it. If you didn't know, you're supposed to remove, when you remove them with the cables. Don't cut the cables. Do not try to remove these guys. You'll crack them, and it'll be a done deal. So yeah, with the climate control, I got this from Lucas. I think he's out in Poland. It's pretty good quality. Everything fit like it was supposed to. I think he did a good job. So this unit is up for grabs. Everything is working like it's supposed to, except for this fan switch. When you go all the way to 4, it kind of gets stuck, so I might have to pull that off and lube it up and clean it again, but there we go. I think it's just the angle or something. Yeah, the buttons all working there. AC, That guy. Yeah. These buttons are a little weird. But yeah, for the most part, everything is just good to go. Bad boys. Everything backside here. So I'm gonna connect those three up, and then see how it is. I might try to make a video on how to swap everything over, but that was my first time, so I had to teach myself how to do it, so I didn't want to make a video at that point in time. But yeah, that's this bad boy plugged up. All right, so I pulled my wires to the side there, and I'm just gonna plug it in. Okay, this is it. There's some clicking in there. See my light switch. Oh, I already see some buttons there. See the lights on. Cool, those are lighting up. Let's hit the lights. It's not lighting up, but it has those. Well, it did have the little lights, so that's the electrical components. And let me try the fan. No, well, my fan's not hooked up, so maybe plug that boy back in. Let's see. Oh, we got colors there. AC. Cool. Well, I guess I'm happy with that. Yeah. All right. I'm happy. All right, guys. This is actually the true end of my video. Appreciate you guys for sticking around. Take care. Peace.